Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
It does say that you can just pull this cover off, but we've noticed there's kind of some things holding this on. So what I would recommend doing is, it's a little bit easier if we there's two bolts here.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Pull the bulb to remove it from the socket. Insert the new bulb into the socket. You should feel it click. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure